It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Welcome back, my little cupcakes. I'm so glad you're back. And I want to show you what I'm going to do in this video. This adorable little snowman made of polymer clay. You can either use it as an ornament or it could be in a display because it sits flat. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with some white polymer clay. Okay, I'm using this type of clay, but I use all kinds. I have different ones. So we're going to start out with white. I'm going to make 3 balls. Okay, you're going to soften the clay first with anything you do. So here's one. All right, and there's the medium size. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, this Sculpey glue, because that's a really good adhesive, because I notice if I don't put a little bit here, it might come off. So I want to smooth the balls as much as you can around. And then I got a third smaller ball. It's going to go on top here. All right, and that's for the head. I let this sit just a bit, but I want to smooth out some of the edges because I don't like them. And you kind of look which way you're going to do the front of it the best, whatever side looks better. Now I'm going to put this aside because in the meantime, I'm going to take out some orange for the nose. Just like a carrot, okay? It comes to a point, but make sure it's softened up enough. That looks pretty good. And I use this tool here I have right here, a needle tool, and I'm gonna just cut some designs in it, because you would like a carrot. A carrot would have like rough edges, texture on it, and that's what I use this for. Okay, I'm gonna just put this aside for now. Okay, so I think what I want to do next is going to move this aside, and I'm going to show you. I got some black. I might need more than that, but I'm going to start out. You start out with I'm going to put it in a circle, and I'm going to, I have to work with it, but I make it a circle, and then I'm going to flatten it down, because this is going to be the brim of the hat. I'm going to use this ball tool I have right here, and I'm going to put a little circle in it, like give it an indent for where the head would be for the snowman. I think that might work. Alright, and I'm going to take this and roll it, as you can see, fat. This is going to be the main part of the hat. Let's see if I like the way that looks. That's looking good. Yep, I like the way that looks. And I'm also going to take lines, and I'm going to use my needle tool and just form some light lines, like it would be wrinkles in the hat. Now, none of them are going to be identical. You will not do the same as mine. Mine are not all the same. It's just the way, because it's hand done. Unless you did it with a machine, would you have them pretty similar? And that's okay. It makes yours unique that you made it yourself. So I'm going to put again, so it doesn't fall apart, that bakeable adhesive. I use that a lot. And we're going to put this over here, and so you get an idea. And I'm going to see what I want to do next. I think the arms, because I want big chunky arms. That's what I did on them. That was my thing that I liked for doing these, because I want mine different than other snowman. So I wanted mine perfectly big. I'll add another little section here, so like a little branch coming off. And I'm going to add a little bit more of another side little branch here. They don't have to be identical. I'm going to put them on here, and then I'm going to put some more of that adhesive to stick it on better. And I'm going to use my needle tool and probably put some edges in it, because later on, after it's baked and everything, I'm going to come along with some acrylic brown paints and black and stuff, and I'll show you what I'll do with that after too. And I'm going to take that needle tool, and I'll just put a little bit of bunch of scrapes in it. The adhesive, put some on the side. Anything where you think it's a bigger piece, it might come off. It's better to be safe than sorry and use that adhesive. Now, you don't have to, but I find that some of the stuff when I went to cook, it came off. So this seems to bond it a lot better. I might have to do this in a couple stages, which I'm going to show you. I would rather put it more than once in the oven than not enough. So right now I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in this particular one. I did ones you're going to see with red scarves and pinks and all colors, depends on what you want. We'll keep on rolling it until it fits around the neck of the snowman, because that is going to be the scarf. So I hope you guys can see it enough how I'm doing this. I'm going to bring this here over, and I'm going to take my needle tools And again, I'm gonna do lines in it and flatten it out a bit. So it's like the end of a skirt, and you just then I'm also going to take the same blue, that's looking good, and I'm going to put a rim around it, the hat. I asked somebody what color they like, and they liked the blue, so I said, okay, I'll do it blue for you. There, so a little bit smaller, the blue. There. Put it off. Just to smooth everything up inside. I'm going to take a small amount and I'm going to show you this one. This is how you make the little flower. This one, you just take a ball, roll it. Alright, you got a little ball. And you somewhat flatten, and you are going to indent 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with this. Okay, I'm going to take this, bit of this adhesive again, a rhinestone, that's what I was looking for. I think I could say it. I'm going to take that, I'm going to put the center of a rhinestone on this one. Before I put that on, I'm going to make a little leaf. So we do the same thing. I'm going to make two leaves, so they don't have to be too big, but 2 balls about the same size. And this one I'm going to make like a teardrop and push to the end. I'm going to put it on the back of this. Okay, right here. Put this to the side. So I'm going to drop this so you can see it. I want to put this on. This is what we're going to use to do the ornaments, okay? They're little screws. Okay, let's see if I can see this. And I'm going to make a hole with this in here. And just watch how you put the screw in, because you know you're going to hang it this way, because when it comes through with the hook. So we're going to go here. I'm going to put it down and make sure there's enough room to get access to that. I made little holes here, and then what I'm going to do is take the black, and you're going to make 2 tiny little balls in here, here. I'm going to put you on hold for a second. I'm going to bake this laying down probably. If it stands up, it's fine. Depends on what you're cooking in. So just look at what the baking manufacturer says for your particular clay. Okay. Now I told you I could do. I just came out of the oven. It's cooled down so I can handle it. I'm gonna take the nose, and I kept it soft this one time, and I'm gonna just use some glue. It's gonna go back in the oven. All right. So the next thing, it's all done. What I'm going to do is put this, the Sculpey glaze. It comes in a gloss or a matte finish, and I'm gonna put, I like putting, now you gotta put at least 1 coat to 2. See, and I'm gonna do this again 3 times. Okay, I just want to show you though, before we close off here, that if you notice I did it in different colors, and I did a big one. So you could pretty well go crazy with different colors, pink, blue, any color you like. Just change it up, change the size of the balls, and it's pretty well the same design. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And ring that bell. Bye for now.